I heard this 60-year-old fish pond was actually dug back then by a collective crew of over 30 people. It took half a month to dig this out. Hey guys, no need to look anywhere else. I'm right here. Hey, I'm right here. Aw, man. Today, we're gonna tackle this fish pond once and for all. The weather is pretty nice today. Guys, after more than 60 years, it is a great honor to serve the owner, cleaning out this long-abandoned old fish pond. Had a brief chat with the owner. Since the entire fish pond is completely overgrown with weeds, you basically can't see the layout of the land at all. So 90% of our conversation was completely abstract. Luckily, I managed to get the most important points sorted out. Clearing out all the weeds inside is exactly what I'm working on right now. All right, everyone, stick around and watch how I tackle this whole mess. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.